For example, you open the coffee shop in Banda Aceh. Let's say, but not many people know about your coffee shop. You can promote this brand. You have a brand, for example. What's the name for the coffee? It is the Delicious Coffee or something. And you can promote this brand so that many people can see in their social media, and then in the website, or also in the like the newspapers and so on. So the first one, the major requirements is the using digital media in the visual work. So there is the course that focus on the using the digital media, and then the game development studio. It means this is practical work. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon for all the participants of Career Counseling Department webinar series, Introduction to College Majors. So for today, we are going to discuss the one of the college major. It is marketing communication. So it is a popular college major because for this marketing word that are needed for many companies, and also for to learn the marketing communication is essential because later on in the company when you work, you will need the knowledge and the skills that you get from the marketing communication. Okay, so it is the college major of the social studies, and if you like to interact with other people, and you also like to you love the technology, you can use use the software to analyze and then to see how the when you have a product, how to sell the product, and then you communicating the products. So it is also related with the yesterday's webinar. So it is about the career of the graphic designer. Okay, so this one is the college major, marketing communication. Okay, so before we start this webinar, I would like to listen from you from the chat. What do you think about this marketing communication? So what is the marketing communication? Okay, you can write on the chat box. Let me write it here. So what is marketing communication? So what do you know about the marketing communication? All right, so okay, you can answer the chat. What is marketing communication? Okay, some of you said that is about the selling the products. Yeah, this is what the marketing. Okay, yes. If we talk about the marketing, it means that there is something that you want to sell. Okay, it could be the products, not only the products, but it could be also the service that you want to you provide to the customers. So it is also called the marketing. So yes, you can get the profit from the marketing when you want to say yes. That's also correct. And it is about the communication, speaking. Yes, in this college major, you are going to study also about the communicating. Yes, how to interact with other people, how to use the good language for the communication. Okay, so this is also going to be learned in the college major. All right, thank you for your participation. And now let's see the outline of our webinar. So for today, our webinar, it will be for around 30 minutes. So the first one, we are going to see the description, what is marketing communication, and then after that, the benefits, the reasons why you should study marketing communication, and then the plan of study. So after that, there are some courses that you need to take during the university. There are the core and advanced courses. And then the job opportunity, of course, after you graduate from the university, you will look at the job opportunity. So what can you do with this degree after you graduate? And then university, what are the best university having this degree? So we can see the list from the world ranking, and also from Indonesia. So what are the university that provide this college major of marketing communication? All right, so it is like uh, some of the participants told in the chat that it was about the selling the product, and it is about the communicating, what speaking with others. Yes, you are not wrong. So that's correct. In the marketing, it means that they need many strategies in order to sell the products, in order to compete with other competitors with the same products or the same quality of the product. So it is needed how to communicate, how to tell the consumers about your product, and how to make it interesting so other will look at your product and will buy it. Okay, so it is a one way of marketing communication, and I'm sure that in the future careers, the marketing communications are still needed, because we know that in our business, in the world, in the training, so many people sell something that to use as the products, so they will be increased in the future, and the marketing communications are needed by many companies, and not only companies but also from the government sectors, because they also want to many business sectors that can use the service of marketing communication. This one, it could be for the marketing analysis and so on. We'll discuss later on. Okay, so the first one about the marketing communication. So it includes the one of you suggested in the chat that it is about the communicating, telling the people. So it is advertising. Okay, so you are making the ads or advertise for to sell the product, or to, it's not only the product, like it's also for the people. Okay, to how to make the image of the people or the public figures, that they can increase the awareness of the public. So that's also possible for this one. Okay, so it is about the promotion. So you want to promote, it is not only the products, it is not only the your service, but it could also the the school, for example, and then it could be the institution, it could be the government's facilities and so on. So many ways to promote that are needed for the marketing communication. And then for the sales, that we know that we want to sell the products, and then the branding. So yes, we know that many brands exist in the world. Like for example, for the fashion, you wear the shoes, that the branded shoes, that also they need to be promoted. Okay, so this is the work of the from the marketing communication, how to promote it. Okay, and then the campaigning, yes, like the political campaigning, but also for from the non-profit organization, they can also make the campaigning, for example, for the green life, or how to make a better world by doing some positive activities. So they can use the marketing communication for this one. And online promotion, yes, nowadays we are in the pandemic era, so we hope that this pandemic of COVID-19 will be is not anymore in our world, inshallah. And so there is many online, in the online, if you see, if you open your social media, so there are many promotions, like the advertisement, that are suggested to you. If you click some, for example, in the computer product, you want to buy a laptop, after that, when you open other social media, they will suggest you the products of the laptop. Okay, so it is the way of the marketing communication. So this called as the brand awareness. So we will be aware of the brand, that they exist, that they are good, they have the good quality. So when we need the product, so directly we will search the product. Okay, so that's one way of the marketing communication strategy. And then the process allows the public to know or understand a brand. Yes, like I told you before, brand awareness. So it is very important. If you have a brand, a new brand, for example, you open the coffee shop in Banda Aceh, but not many people know about your coffee shop. You can promote this brand. You have a brand, for example, what's the name for the coffee? It is the delicious coffee or something. And you can promote this brand so that many people can see in their social media, and then in the website, or also in the newspapers and so on. So it is one way of, like in the TV, you see the commercial, the advertisement or the commercial on TV. So they try to make the brand awareness. So when you go to the supermarket, when you want to buy something, the product, for example, for the what do you say, shampoo, for example, you will in our mind, we have the brand awareness. So okay, so we want to buy this brand because I see it frequently on TV. So it influences the behavior of society or the customers. Okay, so it is one of the things that are studied in the marketing communication, how to communicate effectively. All right, so the marketing plan identifies key opportunities. It is not only the key opportunities when I should sell the product. For example, now in this pandemic in COVID-19, so many products they sell the masks, and also they sell the products for the hand sanitizer, for example, and they use this opportunity to promote or to create a good communication with the customer. And also the threats and the weaknesses and the strengths of the product. They can use the analysis to study what is the strength, what are the weakness of the product, and then set objective and develop an action plan. Okay, so they have the goals, so they have the target for this marketing. For example, for this product, we must sell it for 2,000, for example, in these 3 months. After that, they will need the action plan. So what should they do? How to promote them? So in the marketing communication, you are going to study how to promote this one. You know the opportunity. So what are the target? What kind of the specific audience will need this product? Okay, so you will do many analysis so that you can sell or advertise the product easily, and it will be effectively. Okay, and then let's see the benefits. So what are the benefits? Why you should study marketing communication? So if you like the social science, and you like I told you before in the beginning of our webinar, you also like interacting with people, and you are creative, it means that you want to make the people recognize your way of communication. This is very suitable for you, this college major, the marketing communication. Okay, so the benefits, the first one, overall cost leadership. So what does it mean? So it is not only you are developing a focused concern for and investing in cost saving processes enable this. So in the we see in the global in the world, we have a high market share, the economies, and then the production, and then the access to raw material. For example, for Indonesia, we have many coconuts. In the coconuts, we can make the product from the coconuts, and they can be sell or export to other countries. So you can utilize the products, for example, the traditional product, or in your place, and then how to sell them in the abroad, in other countries. So you need these marketing communication strategies. Okay, so it is overall cost leadership. So you can find many useful things later. And then the differentiation. So it is the ability to create something that is perceived as unique. Yes, because our mind, the human mind, when they see something unique, they will be interested. Yes, you can try by promote to your friend. For example, if you only show a figure or a diagram of the very this plain as the text, there is no color and so on. When you present to your friend, for example, or your teacher, they will not get too interested because it is simple and it is not eye-catching. So when you make the good way of presenting your data, your product, you have the good color, you use the good font, the design is very good. After that, there is the clear objective, what do you want to sell about the product. So it will be easier for the customer's mind to accept it. So they tend to to buy your product. So it is the unique. It is very important to perceive as the unique. So it is like the limited edition. This is only in this country and so on. And they have use the different material, so it is become unique. And then this could be in product design. So because in the marketing communication, you are going also study the communicating with by using the product design, the brand image, the technology that you use to advertise, and then the product features, customer service. Yes, this also have the impact for the marketing communication. When you have the good customer service, they can give the good service for the customers, so they can also increase the products or the sale of the products. And then the dealer network or other dimensions. Okay, so it is also studied in the marketing communication. And then you can be the focus. So it is one of the benefits. Instead of targeting the complete market, the company or the firm, they focus on a particular buyer group, or they can set for this product. It should be they will buy more if we set in certain geographic, for example, in certain region or the area. For example, in Aceh, there are many Muslims, and if we sell the products that use related with Islam, with their practice for salat, maybe for prayer and so on, so they can target the audience or the customers. So by using the geographic market also, and then so it can become effective and efficiently. So if you have the product, if you sell only randomly to general to other people in Indonesia with a specific region, there will be it's not effective. What does it mean effective here? They will not respond to your product more. So it is only a few of them. So it should be targeted for the specific people and in the specific region or the geographic. Okay, that's important in the marketing communication. So you can learn to focus how to sell the product, or how to increase or to improve something that you want to make as the brand awareness. Okay, so I hope that you get this idea. If you have any question, you can ask through the Q&A section, and then we can answer later on at the end of the webinar. All right, so now let's discuss the plan of study. So what are the core and the advanced courses that are studied in the marketing manager, marketing communication college major? So the first one here we can see the public relations. So like I told you before, if you like the social studies, you like communicating with others. The communication has a variation. They have many ways. It could be through the technology, through the digital marketing, or you can by using your mouth by one person to another person. So like that. So it is you have to learn about the public relation, PR. So how to talk with other people, how to give the good service for the customers. Okay, so they are studied in the public relations. This is also the way you speak. So how to speak to the customer, to do not make a difficult wordings that you are using, so that it will be easier for them to understand and to make them interested. Okay, this is important, so that they can buy the products or they want to engage in your activity. Okay, and then the marketing research. Yes, because it is about our marketing. Of course, it is important to research the marketing, which region, which people, which specific of people that you are needed for to sell your products or to promote your product. Okay, you must target the audience or the from the geographic areas, so that's also important. And then the digital advertising. Yes, because nowadays it is very developing. Not only for the huge companies, for school, for example, or you have some program activity. Like now we have the online university fair, and we can promote the online university fair in our school, not only to our students, but also to all of the students in Indonesia. So we can use the digital advertising. So we can use like the Facebook business, that they have the Facebook advertisement. and then we can use promote in the Instagram also and other social medias. So we can use the digital advertising. Okay, I think there will be a huge improvement later on in the future, that everything will be advertised digitally. That's why you need to learn about the digital advertising. And then the event planning, yes, for the marketing communication, because you are promoting something and you make some activities, so important to plan. Yeah, you know about the plan, the action plans. When you want to sell the product, when you to advertise a product, you need the action plan. What should you do for which groups of people that you need to sell the product and so on. So there must be the planning for the event. And then the storyboarding. It's like in the yesterday I told you in my other webinar, just about the career, that in the storyboarding, the words that are used in the promotion, in the advertisements, are very important. So it must be selected carefully. So if you use the long sentences, and then after that you use the font are not visible because they use the color is white or some different color, it is not bright, after it is not eye-catching, after that the people will not interested, will not read the ads. But if it has the storyboarding, it has the story behind the ads, after that they become curious, so they want to know. You can see on the television there are many commercials that are very, very creative. Yes, they want to make us curious. So, what's next? How is it possible? That's what makes our mind curious, so that we want to know about the product, and then it become brand awareness. And when we buy something, we will choose the products. Okay. And then the accounting. So they also study accounting, because just like the economic, you study the accounting. Because they are needed when you are doing the analysis, the statistic for your for the sale for the products. So you need the skill of the accounting. Okay, so these are some not only the major requirements for the marketing communication. So as you know that you have to be able to have the basic good in math, because in accounting you need good math. But for all of others, you need to have the good in the social studies. So when you get the high score, maybe in the social science in the school, and you like to interact with people, and you are creative, it means that you can design and also can find a new solution. Maybe you want to promote something, you can try from the school that you want, what you want to do. Okay, so don't limit yourself for only doing the normal things, but from now you can prepare. If you want to study about the marketing communication, you can prepare yourself by studying the ads, advertisement, and you can make your own ads or advertisement. Maybe you want to advertise your, I don't know, your work, your design. Maybe you want to promote them to your friends, to other people. So you can study. All right, so this is the interesting part, the job opportunity. So what are the careers? So of course you will ask this question when after you graduate from the university, after taking the marketing communication degree, of course you want to look for job opportunity. So what can you do with this major? The first one, you could be the senior marketing project manager. So it is the high salary job for this one, for the senior marketing project manager, because in the company it is very essential. If they cannot sell the products, so it will be affected hugely to the company, to the firm. So it is very important for this senior marketing project manager. So they manage the small teams that they do for the marketing communication, how to advertise, how to sell the product, and so on. So it is the senior marketing project manager. Okay, and then you could also be the branding or marketing analyst. Yes, you can. Many companies need this the analysis. So you are as the branding or marketing analyst. You can provide the data. Of course, you do the research from the marketing research. It is important to be the marketing analyst, and you can find the data in For example, in these groups of people, how many percent of them they like to browse the information about the sunglasses, for example, and you want to another in which a brand is it they want mostly. So you can do this analysis, and many the analysis can be done by the marketing analyst. And then another career is the human resources coordinator. Yes, because you study about the communication with other people, is the communication skills are needed to be the human resource coordinator. So you can direct and you can engage your teams and also the human resources. You can manage them so that they can do their job effectively. So it is one way of this career. And then account executive. So for the account executive, that they're also important, but you're also reading the accounting so that they can analyze the sale, the products, and they are the essential for the income of these companies. And then director of marketing. Yes, in every companies or firms, they need this director of marketing. Okay, even though it is a small like you make your own it is not company, but you make your own that you sell a product, for example, you need also to learn how to marketing this. You are like the director of marketing, so how to sell the product and how to promote them. So they are from the director of the marketing. Say they know everything about the product, and they have the team that they can manage so that they can sell the product. And you can also be the business development manager. Yes, so yeah, there are many businesses in the world that you can develop. You can also cooperate with other companies, and you can be the manager to develop this business. So when developing the business, it means that you also need the marketing strategies to sell the products, and of course the communication with other people, how you to do it with the public relation and so on. So they are needed for this process. Okay. All right. So the last part here is university. So what are the best university having this degree? There is from the Texas A&M University. It is in the USA, ATM. It is the best in USA for this marketing communication. And there is the University of the Oregon, and then USC, University of Southern California, and the Cornell University is also they have the good program or degree in marketing communication. But don't worry, you can also find the good this degree in the Indonesia. So you can find them in the Universitas Indonesia. They also have the best college major for marketing communication. So it is famous in Indonesia. And also in Unpad, Universitas Padjadjaran in Bandung, they also have the good marketing communication. Okay, in our program online university fair, the Universitas Padjadjaran they join our program. Later on, you can ask to the university representative about the marketing communication to the Unpad. And also UGM will join also our program online university fair. You can ask them about they have the marketing communication college major. And then there is the UPH. It is the private university, Universitas Pelita Harapan. They also have a good marketing communication college degree. Okay, so I hope that you can get the information or knowledge about the marketing communication, and you can practice or you can learn more. You can learn from the advertisement. You see, there are many strange but unique advertisement. If you watch from the YouTube, you see the ads advertisement from Thailand, that they use the short video, that inspiring video for the ads. Okay, that's also the unique. Okay, from the marketing communication. So how they communicate by using the short film, the inspirative film, and sometimes it makes you cry by watching the video that ads. So it is very effective for them in the Thailand. Okay, so it is one way. Okay, if you have any question, you can contact me or you can write in the chat. Let's see here. There is a question from firm participant. So, okay, can we use the marketing strategy to sell a normal product? Okay, so I do not know here is what do you mean by the normal product? What is the normal product? But here we any product is just normal or the unique. You can make it them unique. Okay, it depends on how you sell the product. It could be the normal. It is not simple, plain, but you can make it interesting and unique by using these marketing strategies. Okay, you can make them more colorful. You can promote in the ads with the unique advertisement. That's also possible. Okay, so you need your creativity. Okay, to understand that one. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. For your please fill this form. You can fill the form of. Okay, I will share you the link, the evaluation, so that we can improve our webinar quality. Okay, thank you very much for joining webinar series of Career Department, Introduction to College Major, which is we have the title Marketing Communication. For all of the participants, we will send you the e-certificates because you have participated our webinar. Okay, see you in the next webinar series. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon for all of you.